I'm here, of course. I'm at Six Flags Magic Mountain. You guys know, home away from home. I filmed a very interesting video here. I'll link that up here in the card area. I'm gonna go meet up with Joy. She lives close by in the area, so we've been planning to like meet up for coffee or something. So this is definitely the perfect opportunity. I'm sweaty, I feel really gross. I'm gonna freshen up a bit. Officially 15 minutes late. Darren and I gotten coffee bean here twice when I was really tired.
Hi guys! Hello to all Christine's followers. Instagram is Joy Gurrola. Definitely follow me. I do the same as Christine, fashion, lifestyle, food. We like food. We're here at Coffee Bean, meeting up with Christine. She's so sweet. Love her. Stay tuned for her video. Her video is gonna be amazing tomorrow.
I was telling Joy about the whole entire Six Flags thing.
Oh my gosh. I'm like, whoa, I can't believe I just cannot wait to watch it.
It's so nice hanging out with you.
I had such a fun time. Like I've met her one time before, but she's such a sweetheart. Very genuine person.
My mom and I are having our quality time. We're gonna go out to eat. We're actually heading over to Costco. And then we're gonna go watch a movie, Simple Favor, with, what's his name? The guy from...
Henry Golding.
Yeah, Henry Golding from Crazy Rich Asians, Blake Lively, and Anna Kendrick. My mom is going to be showing me luggages. Actually, we're going to New York in October for a friend's wedding. I like the color. What is this, like a purpley, like a lavender color? My mom prefers the soft luggages instead of the hard case luggages. Here's our lunch.
Turkey, provolone.
My mom already ate her share. And then we're gonna split the chicken
Caesar
salad. And then, what is this one that you got?
Strawberry fruity.
We are now at Regency Theaters. Please comment below if you guys have watched A Simple Favor or are planning to watch it. 2 for A Simple Favor. Your mom, what did you think of it?
I liked it. I really did.
We both went in not really knowing much about the movie. Just like the trailers that we...
All I knew is Henry Golding.
Yeah.
Golding,
Oh,
yeah,
he's cute.
Yes.
He's very good looking.
Very suspense,
Comedy.
and surprises.
Yeah. It is Thursday. Just went in for an annual women checkup. I know you guys know what I'm talking about. So I'm heading over to the mall because I'm already here. And I have to finish editing today's video, which should go up probably like 5:30-ish. Throw it back because it's Thursday, Throwback Thursday, and we're gonna go to one of my favorite spots before to edit videos. We're actually walking through Nordstrom right now, so let's go. So if you guys have been watching the vlogs for a while, then I'm pretty sure you guys know this area. Remember the times I used to go here before? It was on my lunch break, and YouTube was just a hobby to me. Really just honestly enjoy doing, and it's crazy now how things can just kind of come full circle. And here I am today editing the same spot where I used to edit before, except this time it's a job for me, which I'm so thankful for every single day. So never stop dreaming, never stop trying, don't doubt yourself, believe in what you want to do, give it all you have. This is called Cups of Courage. Join us in celebrating women this month in this tribute display for breast cancer awareness. These are the women who created the bra cups and their journey with breast cancer. Oh, I love that. They're wine corks. This is the first time I'm trying pho tea, Vietnamese noodle soup, and bubble tea drink at this mall, which is the Oaks Mall. I got a taro boba, and then veggie pho, carrots, broccoli. I think it also has some tofu in it. Alright guys, I already took a sip of this, but taro boba is actually it's really good. Smooth, creamy. The boba is nice and soft. Let's try the veggie pho. That's drop-off people. And yeah, we basically all got kicked out of this tram because they said it's not fair to the people who are waiting, which is true. Today's trip is in honor of Angel. She's going back home to Alaska next Saturday. We're gonna miss you, Angel. Not gonna go in the mazes. We're just gonna go on the rides, right? Abby's giving her like the death stare. Who was that? That was good. That was good for the vlog. I thought that was you, Abby. I thought that was Abby. I did not know that that was somebody else. Angel's face is genuinely scared. It's time for us to head out. Abby, did you have fun? Yeah. Angel? Yeah. We're heading out at Six Flags. We're gonna go home. We're gonna go. Did you see them in the back? Yeah, I did. Let's go. Let's go.
Ryan Little.